Welcome to everyone to my channel. Wish a wonderful day. Today is my second class. In this class, I will say about numeration. In my previous class, I had just discussed about numeration. Again, I will explain detail about numeration. Let's start the class. First, we will know what is numeration. Numeration is a method of expressing a number in words. That means in which method we can be applied to express a number in words is called numeration. For that, I have taken a number. Look at the number. It is a 8-digit number. But this number, how we can read and write this number? To read and write this number, we need a system that is called numeration. So, in which method we can read and write? To apply two methods. First one is the Indian system of numeration and another is the international system of numeration. So first we will know what is Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. For count a large number, read and write, we use Indian system of numeration, and it is used in India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, and the rest of the countries followed international system of numeration in the world. Then first we will know how the number convert in Indian system of numeration. Okay. For that, I have prepared a Indian place value chart. In this place value, it is divided some group or periods like ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period, aros period. And each period also divided into some places. The ones period consists of 3 places, such like unit place, 10 place, 100 place. Thousands period consists of 2 places, like 1000 place and 10,000 place. Lakh period also consists of 2 places, lakh place and 10 lakh place. Crores period also consists of 2 places, crore place and 10 crore place. Aros period consists of 2 places, arab place and 10 arab place. By using period, we can write this number. First, we will take this number. How to write? First, according to period wise, first we have to put comma. First places consist of 3. First period consists of 3 places. That means we have to put comma. From extreme right side of the digit, count 1, 2, 3. Then we can put comma. Then 1000 period consists of 2 places. So you will put comma here. Then last period consists of 2 places. We will comma here. Okay. Now this number can be placed in all places. Can be placed. So now we will place. Keep from extreme right side of the digit to extreme right side of the period. So here extreme right side of the digit is 3. We can place it here in unit place. 9 second digit we can place in 10 place. 2 we can place it here, and then 6, then 2, then 5, then 3, then 2. According to period wise also we can write. How? In crores periods only 1 digit present, that is 2. So we direct write 2 crore. Then in lakhs period, 2 digit is present and that is 35. So we can write 35 lakh. Then thousands period consists of 2 digits, that is 26. So direct we can write 26. Then its period is 1000. And once period consists of 3 digits and write it 300. 393. Okay. Now we'll take another example. It is a 10-digit number, but a large number, how we can write in Indian system numeration? First we have to, according to period wise, from extreme right side of the digit we will put comma after 3 digit, then 2 digit, then 2 digit, then 2 digit. Okay, and also this number we will places in all places. So from extreme right side of the digit we will put or we will place 3 in here, then 2 in here, then 0 in here, then 4 in 1000 place, then 5 in 10,000 place, according to place wise value. 2 in lakh place, 6 in 10 lakh place, 9 in crore place, 2 in 10 crore place, 6 in lakh place. And according to period wise also we will write the 6 present in which period? Arab period. So direct we will write 6 Arab. Then 2 digit present in crores period and it is 29. Direct we will write 29 crore. Then 2 digit in present in lakhs period we will write, we can be write 62 lakh. Then 54 is present in 1000 period. Then in ones period present 3 digits and that is 23. Direct we can be write 23. Okay. In this type, any large number we can convert into Indian system of numeration. So to write Indian system numeration, we have to always remember period, because we have to put comma according to period wise. That means one's period consists of 3 digits. Then I had put comma after from extreme right side of the digit 3 digits. Then 1000 period consists of 2 digits and lakh 2 digits, crore 2 digits, and Arabs period also 2 digits. So according to period wise we have to comma. First we have to go that the extreme right side of the digit and count after 3 digits. Then 2 digits put comma, 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 and like that. Again, according to period wise, we will write from extreme left side of the period. 6 Arab, 29 crore, 62 lakh, 54,023. We place all we will place all digit according to extreme right side, but when we will write in words in according to period from left side. Okay. Now we will know about international system of numeration. So in this system of numeration, a number how to convert into international system of numeration. For that, we will take a number. It is a, look at the number, it is a 8-digit number, and this number we have to convert into international system of numeration. Before I have prepared a international place value chart, okay, and in this chart, like Indian system of numeration, it also contains some periods or groups, like ones period, thousands period, millions period, and billions period. And each period also consists of some subgroups. Like ones period consists of unit place, tens place, 10 place, 100 place. Thousands period consists of 1,000 place, 10,000 place, 100,000 place. Million period consists of million place, 10 million place, 100 million place. And billions period consists of billion place, 10 billion place, 100 billion place. First we have to according to period wise, first we have to put comma. So each period having 3 digit, all are 3 digit. That's why first we have to go extreme right side of the digit, and from that we have to put comma after 3 digit, then 3 digit, then 3 digit. Okay. For easy, first we will this number will place in place value chart. So 4 we can put, 4 is unit place, so we will put here below the unit place, and 8 we can put here, then 7 we can put in 100 place, then 6 we can put below the 1,000 place, then 3 we can put 10,000 place, then 4 we can put 100,000 place, then 3 we can put million place, then 2 we can put 10 million place. So according to period wise also we can write this number. How? In millions places 2 digit is present, in millions period 2 digit is present, and that is 23. Direct we can write 23 and then write its period million. And then thousands period consists of 3 digit, that we can write 436 and then write its period 1000. And ones period consists of 3 digit, that we can write 700, 7 in present 100 plus, so 784. Okay. Now we will take another example. It is a 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 digit number. So this number, how we can write and read this number? So first we have to place this number in international place value chart. So unit place present in 3, so we will put here 3, and then 2 in tens places, then 2 in 100 place, then 6 in 1000 place, then 5 in 10,000 place, then 2 in 100,000 place, then 6 in million place, then 9 in 10 million place, then 2 in 100 million place, 0 in billion place, and 3 in 10 billion place. And like that we can, according to period wise, also we can put also comma. From we have to go extreme right side of the digit and count after 3 digit we can put comma, then 3 digit we can put comma, then 3 digit we can put comma. Now we will write this number. So what will it be? So in billions period, what is present? Only 2 digit present, and that is 30. So directly we will write 30. And a period is billion, so 30 billion. Then in millions periods, 3 digit is present, directly we can write 296. Then we put period 96 million, and in thousands period 3 digit is present, so we will write 200 56,000, and once period consists of 3 digits, we can write 223. Okay. In this type, any large number we can convert into international system. So first we have to put comma. From according to period wise, from extreme right side we have to go extreme right side of the digit and count from right side digit. After 3 digit put comma, then 3 digit put comma, then 3 digit put comma. Okay, and then how we will write? So according to period wise, from extreme left side from period. So 30 present in billions period. So directly we will write from 30 billion, then 296 million, 256,000, then 1223. In this type, any large number we can convert into international place value system. Okay. Now we know a number how to convert in Indian system of numeration to international system of numeration, and a number, and that number international system of numeration to Indian system of numeration. Okay, look at the chart here. Both unit place of Indian system and international system both are same, and tens place also both Indian system and international system are both are same. 100 place also, 1000 place also, 10,000 place also same. And when it lakhs in Indian periods, then it will be 100,000 in international system. When it is 10 lakh in Indian system, that is in international system is 1 million. That means 1 million is equal to 10 lakh, and 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. And 1 crore here, which is in Indian system 1 crore, that will be in international system 10 million. And which is in Indian system 10 crore, and that is in international system 100 million. And which is the 100 crore, that is in international system, that is 1 billion. Okay, So any number we take here below of these places. So it will be in Indian system 210 crore and international system 200 million. And if we take any digit here in Indian system, we will say it is 5 crore, but in international system 510 million or 50 million. And any digit we will take here in Indian system, we will say it is 610 lakh, means 60 lakh, but in international system it is 6 million. That means 60 lakh is equal to 6 million. And it is when it will be in 2 lakhs, and it will be 200,000. And which we will write in this place 410,000 means 40,000, and also this one it will be in international system also 40,000, and like that 3,000 and international system also 3,000. 0, the international system 0, and Indian system also 0. 5 tens in Indian system 5 tens and international system also 5 tens. 2 unit in Indian system and international system also 2 unit. That means up to unit to 10,000, both Indian system and international both are same. And when we will go to lakh, 10 lakh, million, 100, all are some different. Okay. Now we know what is Indian system of numeration, how we can convert a number into Indian system of numeration, and what is international system of numeration, and how a number we can convert a international system of numeration. Now we know the conversion of both system, Indian system to international system and international system to Indian system of numeration. Okay, thank you for watching.